Welcome back to channel. In this video we will discuss about the owner of Honda Company. 1. Soichiro Honda, 1906 A 1991. Background: Soichiro Honda was born in a small village in Japan and had a fascination with mechanics from a young age. He worked as a mechanic at a garage in Tokyo, where he gained practical experience in repairing and designing vehicles. His passion for innovation and machinery laid the foundation for his later success. Role in Honda: Soichiro was the visionary and technical mind behind the company. After World War II, he founded the Honda Technical Research Institute in 1946 to develop small two-cycle motorized bicycles. His innovative designs and engineering skills led to the creation of efficient, high-quality motorcycles and cars that gained global recognition. Key achievements: he emphasized quality and performance, ensuring Honda's products were reliable and innovative. His engineering expertise helped Honda develop iconic products like the Super Cub motorcycle and the Civic car, which became global successes. 2. Takeo Fujisawa, 1910 A 1988. Background: Takeo Fujisawa joined Honda in 1949 as a co-founder and business partner. Unlike Soichiro, who was focused on engineering, Fujisawa brought a sharp business acumen and long-term strategic thinking to the company. Role in Honda: Fujisawa was responsible for Honda's financial stability, marketing, and global expansion strategies. He focused on creating a sustainable and profitable business model, allowing Honda to grow from a small post-war startup into a global powerhouse. Key achievements: under his guidance, Honda entered international markets, becoming the largest motorcycle manufacturer in the world by 1959. He also played a crucial role in diversifying the company into automobile production in the 1960s. Joint vision: the partnership between Soichiro Honda and Takeo Fujisawa was unique and complementary. While Honda concentrated on building innovative and reliable machines, Fujisawa ensured the company was financially viable and strategically positioned for growth. Together, they laid the foundation for Honda's ethos of innovation, quality, and customer focus. Their combined efforts made Honda a leader in motorcycles, automobiles, and power equipment, with a legacy of engineering excellence and global success.